boys and girls. We are going to practice our words again today. And so go ahead and get your journal and your pencil. And you're also going to need your markers or your crayons. So grab those things. And then when you're ready, go ahead and click play. Okay. So today we're going to practice noticing our vowels and our consonants. So let's just review really quickly and think about our 5 vowels. We've practiced our vowels a lot. We've talked about the short sound, we've talked about the long sound. Okay, and so our 5 vowels that we're going to be talking about, we've got A, we have E, we have I, we have O, and we have U. And sometimes we use Y as a vowel if the word doesn't have an A, E, I, O, or U, then the Y takes the place in X as a vowel. But right now we're focusing on A, E, I, O, and U. So we're going to write our words with our pencil, and then we are going to trace over them with certain colors. So go ahead and pick up your pencil. And so for today, I'm going to use purple for my pencil. Usually I use blue, but today I'm going to use purple, and you'll see the reason why in just a little bit. But you're using your pencil right now. Do not pick up a color to use. Use your pencil. Okay, so our first word is was. So I'm going to say each letter as I write it. W, A, S. Was. Now I need you to take either your red or crayon or your red marker, or if you don't have red, you could use like a violet red or any shade of red will work. But you're taking your marker or your crayon, and we are going to trace over the vowels in red. So I'm looking to see this only has one vowel right in the middle. So I'm going to trace over the vowel with red. The other letters that aren't vowels, remember those are called consonants. When somebody's talking about a consonant, those are all the other letters that aren't the vowels. And so we're going to use our blue now to trace over our consonants. Okay, so go ahead. I've got 2 consonants. I've got a W and I have an S. So when I look at the word was, I can remember it has a vowel right in the middle. Okay, so W-A-S. My vowel is an A, and my consonants are W and S. Okay, so go ahead and pick up your pencil again. We're going to write our next word, which is the word next. So with your pencil, you're going to go ahead and put N, E, X, T, next. Okay, now look at that word and decide what vowels you see, because all words have to have at least one vowel. Okay, so we know it has to have at least one. So look up here, and there are your 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So you should be seeing that the E is a vowel. So with your red marker or crayon, go ahead and trace over the E. Okay, and remember, all of the other letters that aren't vowels, they are called our consonants, and we're tracing our consonants in blue. So go ahead and trace over your consonants with blue. Okay, and so there is our word next, N-E-X-T. It has one vowel, and it has 3 consonants. Okay, go ahead and pick up your pencil again. And we're going to do the word that. So T, make sure you're saying the letters as you're spelling it. H, A, T, that. And go ahead and look up at the top and see if you can find the vowel or vowels that the word that has. And go ahead and trace the vowel with red. So our vowel is A. And remember, the big fancy word for all the other letters are called consonants. And so our consonants are going to be traced over in blue. Okay, so our word that also has one vowel, which is the vowel A. Okay, our next word is going to be the word hour. So we should be on our pencil. And so it's going to be O, U, R, hour. So check to see what consonant, or excuse me, which vowels do you see in our word? Remember, there could be 1, there could be 2, there could be more than 2. And we're going to use our red We're going to trace over our vowels. And so I see O and U. And then our consonant, of course, we are going to trace over with blue. So there's our word hour. O-U-R, hour. Okay, go ahead and let's do the word don't. Our next word is don't. So we're going to write the word don't with our pencils first. So D, O, N. Got to put our apostrophe. T. D-O-N apostrophe T. Go ahead and find your vowel. Look up here to help you. Remember, you've got your clue up here. Vowel or vowels. And go ahead and trace those in red. And then your consonants will be blue. So D is a consonant. Oops. N is a consonant. My apostrophe is not a consonant, so I'm just going to keep that the way it is. And do my T. D-O-N-T. Don't, which remember stands for do not. And I'm sorry if you hear that noise. My dog is coughing over there in her bed. So that's what that noise was. All right, we're going to go to the next word, which is want. So I'm going back to my pencil. W A N T. Look to see what is your vowel. You're using your red. We have the vowel A, and then we have our consonants. And notice how the A, it's not really saying the A or the A sound in this word. Want kind of says ah. So that's why this word is so tricky, because you have a letter, but it doesn't make the sound that you're used to having it make. So I'm going to trace over my W, my N, and my T in blue because those are consonants. So we have was, next, that, our, don't, and want.